Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you an amazing vending machine toy. As you can see, there is a vending machine, a cute blue colored basket and small heading cardboard. Isn't that a cute toy to play with your friends? So, let's experience this interesting drink buying and selling game together. The toy box has a vending machine, one toy basket, 2 watermelon drink bottles, 2 orange drink bottles, 2 strawberry drink bottles, and 3 toy coins. Now we have to open the lid on the top and put toy drink bottle into the vending machine and close the lid. Put it according to the drink bottles in the vending machine. Then put a toy coin into the coin entry. Let's think what we want to drink. Watermelon drink first. Press the key and the toy drink bottle will fall down automatically. Enjoy the game with your friends. Now take the toy coin from the side and let's try the other drinks now. Isn't this the best game? Yay, it is! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.